Hi everybody, welcome back to my tool truck. I wanted to show you something I got in stock. This is a ATD 10-piece large wrench set, SAE. Part number is ATD 1010. Sizes go from 1 5/16 up to 2 inches. ATD also makes a large 10-piece wrench set, part number ATD 1110, 30 millimeter up to 50 millimeter. This set, both these sets have a 1-year warranty to them. Now I know a lot of you guys aren't going to like that, but how often do you warranty large wrenches? Usually people modify them way before they have to warranty them. The good part about these wrenches is, off the tool truck, they're around $200 a set. So ask your local distributor if he can get you these wrenches. I did the hard work for you. I got you the part number. So now you just got to ask him. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe, comment below. Have a great day.